Welcome back to the channel, folks. I hope you're having a great day. This video is going to focus on a product that I have been searching for called the SpinTwist Paint Rig for the bolt-on guitars. I bought this on Reverb, and they do not, as far as I know, have a website that you can go and find this product. It is all on Reverb. To my knowledge, I could be wrong. I will put a link into the description below. What I was doing before in my process of learning how to build guitars is I would be taking drop ceiling wire and I would hang the guitar actually over here off my rafters to spray and apply poly. I felt like that was the biggest that was the thing I needed to greatly improve on, was just the finishing. I felt like my first couple of guitars were, everything else is fine. The dyeing, the sanding, the cutting, blah, 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 blah. However, the actual finishing portion, I was, just had no clue what I was doing. And this here, the SpinTwist Paint Rig, to me seems like it is a breath of fresh air, and it's exactly what I feel like I need to do a much better paint job. So hey, let's do an unboxing. Let's get into this. So here we go. When I bought this on Reverb, the gentleman Bill, he immediately, I think, said, hey, thank you so much for buying the product, and if you have any questions, it was pretty much the best customer service I've ever seen. It was refreshing. So with, I don't know, I really like that. He seems like a really nice guy. So here we go. Right off the bat, it says, I am a paint shield. I'm a paint shield. So apparently the packing, even the packing, allows you to, it's unbelievable. Wow. Okay, so we can use that on the bottom of the table so that when paint falls down, okay. Next clue. I am not a part of the rig. I am shipping bodyguard. I'm not part of the rig. I am the shipping bodyguard. Shipping bodyguard. Not a part of the rig. I am the shipping bodyguard. Holy smoke. I want to tell you something. Clearly an engineering mind did this. So folks, I just want to see if I can look at this packing. I hope you can see it. I know there's only one camera here because it's just me. So it looks like we have a manual booklet out here to get things started. Bolt-on version. It gives you, man, this guy, this is something else. Assembly instructions for each step. Okay, I tell you what, you can't beat the instructions. So we got a paint shield part of the packaging. Let's just dig into this. This doesn't have a sticker. Come on, Bill, can I have a sticker with that? This is just, okay. Yeah, an engineer most certainly had his hands in this. So I'm going to try to do this as quickly as possible. There might be some times that I might just kind of like fast speed it up for you guys so you don't have to waste your time here. But the packaging is Jesus, unbelievable. So I think that from the videos that I was watching on YouTube, finishing is just something that obviously you really need a lot of time and practice with, but it's one thing I just could not get a grasp of how I was supposed to do it. But a lot of the guys on YouTube have some kind of painting booth or whatnot, and a lot of us that are just garage, beginners or whatnot, do not have that type of, paint, a whole dedicated paint system. So this here, to me, seemed like the solution that really got you going. So it looks like we got some Allen wrenches and screws. Apparently we do not need our own tools. Bill has kindly provided everything. And let's be fair, it feels like Christmas right now. So here are our hangers where the guitar body comes off of. You get 4 of these, so you can do 4 at one time. There's number 2. Merry Christmas to me. Heck yeah. So here are the other 2. So you get 4 of these guys. 4 guitars. We're gonna keep going here. I'm kind of taking the bubble wrap off at the moment, even though I haven't done instruction step 1, is really just building the base.
I can't tell you.
Okay. Looks like we have an extra paint card. All right. Looks like something got hit here and chipped off on the base, but guess what? I don't care. That has nothing to do with painting guitars as it relates for me. All right, instructions. Screw legs into the base of the rig. Alright, so the first thing I noticed that I didn't expect was it has these adjustments for the feet so that you can level your table. I think that's really cool. I wasn't expecting that. There we go, the table. I'm going to set this down for 1 second and let's tear into those. All right, step 2, attach the rig handle center spoke. All right, this is the center spoke. see. They're suggesting that you may have to loosen this stuff. I'm just going to attach the rig center spoke, leave 4-way connector a little loose for the next step. Next step is slide the rig handle, which is this, into the main supports to the marks. So there are 2 marks here, so the center support is in but yay loose, and we are going to shows this to go right here into where the marks are. Okay, it seems like he put this together, marked stuff off, and then disassembled it for the instructions, so that's going way over and beyond. So it appears, oops, let me go back 1 page. I think I have to tighten everything at this point. Align the 2 pieces and tighten all corners. All right. See, I tell my kids to read the instructions. Here I am. Okay, so okay. I think what I'm going to do here first is tighten this bad boy. Let's get this pipe and I almost think that. Here. All right, learning moment. So you definitely need the counterweight over where the guitar is going to spin. I had it the other way, so I quickly changed it real quick. Okay, that's good. It didn't fit on the table as I was trying to put it on, and I just realized that this portion, this counterweight portion, was not in the right spot. It was in the opposite spot. So, fix that real quick. Again, the instructions did show that, so we'll call that a user error. Okay. Which I'm sure we all know that's how you learn. I'm just saying this more for myself, but probably gonna have to check the tightnesses of these bolts here. You know, after so often, just to make sure that they haven't came loose, or make sure that we're still on that mark. He has the 2 marks there for where this is supposed to be positioned. So, okay, now it's together. Let's move on, carry on. So, on the picture instructions, he has a table off to the side. It says insert the main support handle through the rig bearing to where the end extends beyond the bottom bearing about 1/4 inch. So, which way is the best way? Off to the side. 1/4 inch. Okay, 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch, okay. Align the bearings. Okay, assembly is now complete. Align the bearings. I must tighten all 4 bearing screws, and he's suggesting, yeah, the bearing set screws, he's saying they should be aligned together, meaning, you know, parallel, or so let's tighten these up, and I think that's it. Looks like there might be two. Okay, two in each bearing. So I'm gonna do just a little bit on each as I tighten this up. All right, I think that's it. Assembly of the SpinTwist Paint Rig is now complete. All right. Yeah. So I am going to. All right, so here we are. The guitar is attached to these handles. This comes into here. This allows you to turn the guitar and spray. Wow. Yeah, that's really nice. One of the biggest problems I was having was that gravity-driven paint on the spray gun, and then you're not allowing the gravity for the paint to fall the way it's supposed to. This is the solution I was hoping for, where this contraption is moving. You can turn your guitar wood like this, but your sprayer is just still staying in the most optimal position. So hey, Bill, fantastic product. Looks like there might be just a little shipping damage, but to be honest with you, little shipping damage on the table, but I don't care. This has nothing to do with the table. I want this to function like this. And then once again, the packaging that says hi. On the paint shield, you can take this, folks, and then just put this right here, and now your table's not going to get too gunked up. I mean, well thought out, clearly an engineering mind on this one. The link's at the bottom, folks. Hit that like and subscribe, folks. More content like this. I will be showing you my full paint rig, including using this unit here very soon. Once again, thanks for visiting the channel, and I hope you have a great day. Till next time, see ya.